engine oil. I don't know what he was doing. He kept talking on phone. Hello guys, how's everyone doing? So today we are going on a ride with a gorilla after a long time, and I'll also discuss about the third service which I recently did. So yeah, let's go and discuss about that. In around 1 year of buying this bike, so that is the time of third service, and I would say I'm not very happy with the servicing. So I went to this SVR Motor Service Center in Kondapur in Hyderabad. Okay, so I called them a day before. I inverted my vehicle. Then what happened? They said that, okay sir, your vehicle won't be serviced, today. Then I thought, what is the point of appointment booking? So I told them that, okay, I won't be going, back and forth. I'll just stay here in your waiting room. Yeah, one thing was, their waiting room was good. Okay, it wasn't crowded. Plus, it had working AC, 10 on 10 for that. And but during the invert process, what I told them, that there are 4 major issues in this bike. Firstly, the brakes are squeaking a lot. Okay. Second thing, the engine is making a noise. And in third service, RE also recommends that you need to get your tappets adjusted. Okay. The third issue was the clutch making noise, right? I have shown you in my previous video that it was giving some click noise when you are pressing the clutch. And fourth thing was this coolant level. So when I was transporting my bike long back, 1 year back from Punjab to Hyderabad, some coolant, it got leaked. After around 3 years, they took my bike. Okay, the service guy, who was the technician, he started draining the engine oil, and the engine oil was very black, because it had been along since the second service. It was obvious that the engine oil will be dark in color. So okay, after draining the engine oil, I don't know what he was doing. He kept talking on phone. He was moving here and there, looking at other bikes. The other service technicians who were there, they were fully focused on their vehicles. But this guy, I don't know why he was not doing it, and kept telling that, sir, aap wahan baith jao. Sir, just sit in the waiting room, will do. I was like, okay, I won't interfere or continuously monitor. But he was not doing his work. Around 30 minutes or more, he was seen nowhere. Then he came all of a sudden, and I asked him bhaiya, when will you add the engine oil? He was saying ki bhaiya bas abhi dal raha hu. I was like, theek hai, just put it. It is a very simple thing. Why you are taking a lot of time? So okay, then he brought the engine oil in 5 minutes or something. He put the engine oil. He was saying that bhaiya ab main dal raha hu. I was like, okay, proceed ahead. Yeah. So I asked him which oil is this. So he said that it is a semi-synthetic grade oil. I said, okay, that's fine. Continue. So he put the engine oil and he changed the oil filter. I was just watching every action what they are doing, because what they generally do is they won't do any work, and then they will charge you for not all, but my last bike, Hunter 350, it got ruined because of this thing. And if we see our bike getting service in front of us, then at least we have the satisfaction, right, that okay, they are not doing anything bad to our bike. And then he again disappeared for very long. So it was now the time of lunch break, and even after that, after their lunch break also, he was not seen anywhere. Everyone got back to their business, but this guy was not here and there. So I was thinking that I'll complain to the manager that why he is taking so much time. Okay, I'm sitting here since morning. But as I was thinking, he just came and started doing his job again. He opened the tank and I came there. So it was very dusty. So he cleaned the tank, he changed the air filter as well. Okay, so it was a new air filter, and then he again told me that sir, you can sit there. I was like कि कोई बात नहीं, करो, मैं यहीं पे हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए. So whenever I used to come there, he didn't work. He would go again somewhere. Then it was around 2 p.m. or something. I was thinking that okay, अब क्या ही ये tappet adjust करेगा. I told him that this bike has stalling issues. Okay, it will stall anywhere, anytime. Plus the engine is making a lot of noise. Please get the tappet fixed. Adjust the valve clearance. Then he told me that sir, there is no issue till now of any Gorilla. There is only one bike which came long back. Uska we had adjusted the tappet, but rest other bikes are working ekdam smoothly. And yeah, I forgot to tell, he also test rode my bike earlier, before even beginning of the service. So he was telling that your bike is, sir, fully smooth. I told him that it's not the case. When I bought this bike and before first service, it was smooth, but not now. So he kept giving some lame explanations and all. And we know, right, we have spent our hard-earned money on this. And see, Royal Enfield is doing a good job in making good vehicles, okay, but the service center, the after sales service is shit, totally shit. Now I understand. Okay, I keep thinking, I keep suggesting people that go for RE, because there is a huge service center network availability. So after he denied the tappet adjustment, I was thinking that okay, let it be. So then again he disappeared. So he was telling, sir, the bike service is almost done. I was like, did you change the coolant? He was saying, no sir, coolant is totally fine, like it is topped up already, you don't need to top up it more. I was like, nahi bhai, there was some leakage, I remember. Okay. So he continuously denied, and this is obvious because in the free service they don't want to do anything. That's very harsh. If RE is listening to this, they should definitely take action. What is the point of free service then? They were saying repeatedly that sir, your bike is ready to be delivered, and the rear brake pad are not working fine. वो घिस गए हैं काफ़ी. So they suggested me a good thing that sir, after 500 kilometers get it changed, because it is a risky thing to have these. And I asked for the front brakes. Those were fine. They were saying that is fine. And I have experienced this thing that the rear brakes are not working great. So I didn't have much time. Either they had any time left because there were other vehicles, as well as they spent enough of the time on this vehicle. So I told them, okay, I'll just get it changed after 500 kilometers. And what else? Yeah, they opened the tank and they had done some kind of configurations. I don't know, like I was watching from far. So yeah, that is the thing. Change this clutch cable, right? This is making noise. So what they did was they just oiled it up, as you can see. Okay, they didn't change it. And also I asked them, okay, that open this thing and then oil. Don't oil from here, otherwise dust will get accumulated. And it is actually true. If you just oil here, the dust will accumulate and it will make the cable even weaker, okay, even brittle. So but they don't listen, okay. And even I was there since 4-5 hours or more. So I was like कि भाई अब जल्दी करो, दे दो मुझे बाइक, मेरे को जाना है, right? Because it was enough of patience of mine. So the next thing was they oiled the chain, they gave this bike for washing, and again as usual there also took a lot of time, right? They took it for washing, and when it came back they cleaned the chain and then just lubed it. And the guy who was lubing the chain, he just put it in double stand and ran the spray, right, just at the one side here only, okay, and quickly, like he was in a hurry or something. I asked him that lube it from the upper side as well, like from this rear side. He was like, nahi sir, chain loose ho jayega and it will attract more dirt. I was like कि भाई कर दे, कोई बात नहीं, I always do like this only, तो कर दे इसको. I brought this bike, okay. I was doing like this, okay. Just show you. In neutral, I was doing this, okay. And when I was revving it, the bike automatically got cut off. So now it's not happening, but could be the case that the new engine oil was filled up and the bike already was in a cold condition. Could be that a scenario. But yeah, I would say that the service center guys don't want to do the work during your free service. The engine is still making the tappet noise, and I'll show you that what is the cost of the third service. So guys, as you can see, the total cost of third service, it is 1749. So yeah, it includes all these things.